Hello everyone, this is RTD from JoyT5. Today we're going to do a video where we'll show you in details a new shipment of custom-made attachments that we just received. In this shipment we got custom augers, drill bits, hydraulic stumps, mechanical quick hitches, ripper, buckets, braking hammers, and the custom mulcher for a skid steer. Let's take a look. First, let's start with the auger drill bits. Both these drill bits are 12 inches in diameter. One is for the rocky soil, the other one is for the soil with mostly rocks. The bottom plate here is 20 millimeters. The ribs are most likely 5.5. And then on this one, the bottom plate is 16 millimeters, and the ribs are 7.5. Longer drill bit is 72 inches in length, and shorter one is 48. The mount on both drill bits is round. And it should be 65 round. Over here, we have a stump planer bit for the same auger. And it comes with the replaceable blades. In the crates here, we have our JoyT5 AU3000 augers. These augers have 3,000 Newton meters of torque. They are the same, but the cradle hitches will be different. One will be for 35 millimeter pin diameter, 200 millimeter center to center, and 144 millimeter arm width, while the other one is for 30 mils, pin center to center 130, and arm width 123. Here are the cradle hitches for the augers. Here's a close-up of the welds. Here's a custom braking hammer. It comes in the box carrier. That is the one that adds the most protection to your hammer and reduces the noise slightly, but still does. As usual, we have a bolt-on mounting plate. This will allow the owner to be able to change the mounting ears easily if he'll decide to get a new machine. Standard, this braking hammer comes with 2 chisels, and we offer different shapes of chisels, and we can also get you extra. Plus, braking hammers come with this toolkit and the nitrogen gauge. The nitrogen bottle over here, it is empty. The reason why it's empty is that shipping nitrogen is considered dangerous goods, so you will have to fill it up once you get the braking hammer. Here is the other side of the braking hammer. This is a blank plate for the wheel loader. Custom made as per customer spec. Customer wanted to make his own attachments, and it will be a lot easier when the ear is already welded in. Here's a custom ripper. It has replaceable tooth, and the thickness of the shank is 25 mil. Here's a close-up of the welds. Over here, we have a auger cradle for the wheel loader. Here's a custom cleanup bucket. It has the rib in the middle, replaceable bolt-on edge, and thickened walls. Over here, we have a custom mechanical quick hitch with the hook, which is very handy. Here's the other side of the quick hitch. Here we have a custom hydraulic thumb. The side plate is 16 mil. It has greasable joints everywhere. And it comes with the mounting plate that can be welded on to the arm. That box has all the hardware to connect the thumb. Over here, we have a custom-made mulcher. It is for a customer that got a diesel JoyT5 SST M4 skid steer, as it requires a fair bit of flow. And our skid steer comes with 84 liters per minute flow on auxiliaries, which is enough to power this beast. It has replaceable teeth. Plate thickness here is 10 mil. Case is 6 mil. These bars are 15 mil. Here's the back. As you see, everything's enclosed with service panels on top. The mounting plate is bolt on. So again, if the customer will get a different machine in the future and he'll want to change the mounting pattern, that's just 6 bolts. Very convenient. And there is some chains at the bottom. JoyT5 can get you a wide variety of custom-made attachments for machines ranging from 1 ton and up to 80 ton in weight. That includes excavators, skid steers, wheel loaders, and even custom attachments for machines that aren't readily available. All we have to do is just to get the drawings done, and the factory will make it. If you're going to have any questions or you have an attachment in mind, please visit JoyT5.com or contact one of our dealers. And as always, thank you for watching, like and subscribe.